Hi, today we're going to give an overview of the PG&E Qualified LED Products List. First, we'll review the purpose of the list, we'll talk about where the data comes from, what data is represented, and then we'll discuss the layout of the site, how to search for a product, and find the rebate information that you need so that you can fill out a rebate application successfully. The Qualified LED Products List is mainly for commercial fixtures. These fixtures are qualified by other organizations, one of them being the Design Lights Consortium and the other one being Energy Star. We will take a look quickly at their websites so that you know where to find information should you not find it on here. This is the Design Lights Consortium website that has the main qualified products list, which we import data from. As you can see here, this box here takes you to the qualified products list itself. You can also look at category specifications so you can understand how different product categories are defined. And if you are a manufacturer or vendor that wants to get a product qualified, you click here and it gives you information on how to submit products. PG&E does not qualify products on its own. We use the qualified products list from the Design Lights Consortium and Energy Star. Here is the Energy Star qualified products list. You can see the URL at the top of the browser, and this is what the website looks like. Occasionally, both of these organizations will have news updates, and it might be worth looking at the source website to understand some of the changes that might have occurred. Let's go back to our qualified products list. When we scroll down to see the product information, you can see on the left-hand side that we have a search bar. In this search bar, there are multiple different ways that you can search for a product. The first one being product model number, second one being product manufacturer, third one being product brand, and then in addition we have filters below here. This rebate category refers to a PG&E rebate category, so categories of fixtures that we provide rebates for and the measure codes that will apply to them. All of this detailed information is available in our lighting catalogs. You can go to pge.com/LED to find the lighting catalog and that information. As we scroll down further, you'll see a filter for product category. This includes information on how the products are categorized on the DLC website as well as the Energy Star website. So if I expand that option, you can see every single product category on both of these source data websites listed, so that if you know what product you're looking for, you can select it and filter the list by that information. Further down here, we have rebate channel information. As you might be aware or might not be aware, there are different types of rebates and incentives that PG&E offers. Some are deemed, some are through the distributor, some are through our calculated or custom channel, some are through our direct install program, and others for contractors. More information on that at another time. The product metrics here help you find a product by product specifications that you might have from a spec sheet. So you can search by lumen output, which is the same as light output, the input wattage, the efficacy of the fixture, or any other metrics. The best way to use these filters is to help you narrow down your search further. So maybe you know the manufacturer and you know the fixture type and you have a spec sheet, and just so that you get a smaller list of results, if maybe you're having trouble because the model number is complicated, then you can use some of these other filters to help you find the product. So let's walk through a basic example here. Instead of entering in a model number on this first search, I'm going to pick a rebate category. Let's say we want to look at exterior fixtures and retrofit kits. When I click on that, the search results, as you notice, have been filtered so that there are fewer products appearing. And when I look at these products, there's all this information here in the product details and in the search results. You can see the brand, you can see the model number, you can see the qualifying entity. That way, if there's more information you want, you know which source website to go to. Here is the DLC, which is the Design Lights Consortium. It tells you the product category and it tells you whether it's standard or a premium tier product. In the product details, you can see the performance metrics. This is something you might want to match up with your spec sheet. The spec sheets are marketing information, so they might not match up exactly, but know that the rebate you get will be based on the information available on the qualified products list, not what you have on your specification sheet. If you notice here, there is a rebate information box, and when you hover over this, you can see that you can click on this and it will take you to our rebate calculator. This rebate calculator allows you to determine the total rebate if you're buying more than one fixture. So for example, if you're buying 13 fixtures, I will enter in that number. It will calculate the rebate that I will get for 13 fixtures. This last row here is an example of how to fill out the rebate application with this information, and then you can transfer over that information directly to the application. This is meant to help you not have to figure out how to do this all on your own. Look forward to future improvements to these functionalities. You can also, if you are looking at a list of products and you don't know exactly what model number or spec you want, you might filter like we did here by category, and then you'll have a whole host of products show up. And then if you want, you can share those results with somebody else. So if I click here on share results, it will provide a link for me which will preserve these product search results. You can copy this link. What I do is right click, copy link address, and then you can paste it into an email and send it to somebody else to look at it with you. The other option you have is to download the results. When you click on this, it will export the file to an Excel file. Export the results to an Excel file, which if you're more comfortable in Excel, then you can filter on different things and find exactly what you're looking for. Another important thing that we've recently started requesting to help avoid problems is a screenshot of your product that you're interested in to attach to your rebate application. When you take a screenshot, please take a screenshot of the product search results with the product details expanded so that we can also see the performance metrics, and not a screenshot of the rebate calculator. It's important for us to see all the product details in terms of product categories, manufacturer, name and model number, as well as rebate code, as well as the performance metrics. As you'll see, we have the DLC qualified date as well, and the current date, so that we can match it up to when you're looking for products and when you're having trouble. This helps us with troubleshooting. Sometimes products fall on and off the list, whether it's because the Design Lights Consortium or Energy Star had specification revisions and products failed to meet those new revisions, then they will fall off the list. Or the manufacturer chose to discontinue a product and they've taken it off and now they have a new product model number that will also result in delisting. With the Design Lights Consortium, they maintain a delisted archive. So if you click on this checkbox here, you can find a product that's been delisted, and you can also see the delisting date. This is the same information that will be available on the Design Lights Consortium website that is also available here. This helps us troubleshoot, again, when you're looking for a product that you think qualifies but you can't find it. There could be multiple reasons why you can't find it. This could be one of them. Thank you for joining us today in the overview of the PG&E LED qualified product list. If you have further questions, please do reach out to your trade professional manager. And thanks again for joining us at PG&E and driving energy efficiency.